know you have plans to start learning that tech skill by next year. You have plans to learn how to code, UI design, cybersecurity, or any tech skill at all. You already told yourself that yes, I'm going to start next year. But this is one thing you have to understand. You are not going to start it by 1st January because of New Year. You are not going to start it by 10th January because by then you are still traveling, maybe from the village back to your place because we are done with the New Year celebration and stuff like that. You have to settle down. You will start making plans for New Year. That's when you know things you want to do by 2026. There is a high chance that you're not going to start by January at all. So you are going to delay again till February, March. Then if you are a student, you are going to resume school. You might not have time again to start learning that skill. But you are here telling yourself that you will start by 2026 and you are very sure that you will start by 2026, which is not a bad thing. This is the only thing I'm trying to say. If you want to learn, let me say, web development by next year, 2026, you can still use this year, the remaining 2 months or 3 months this year, as a warm-up. You can still use the remaining of this year to know what you want to learn, get a roadmap for yourself. Like if you are learning web development, you can learn HTML and CSS this year. You don't have to do everything about it, just the basics. At least introduce yourself to the concept this year, so that by next year it will be very easy for you. You understand? When you have a roadmap and you start following that roadmap by this year, 2025, there is no way you are going to abandon it by 2026. But if you don't start at all and you keep telling yourself that I will start next year, I will start next month, you are not going to start. There are so many other things for you to do next year, and this is not going to be one of them because you are not ready to start this stuff. That's why you are postponing it to next year. Next year is not there is no time limit for you to start. If you want to start, there's no best time to start anything. If you want to start by next year, use this year as warm-up. Even if it's 20 minutes, 30 minutes every day to learn that stuff or to read, make research about that stuff you want to learn. Then by 2026, you can proceed, you can start learning.